of today's video, Merry Vlogmas. Thomas?
Yes.
Say something inappropriate.
Hi.
What are we doing today? I don't know what his last video was, but he's probably gonna slide his car a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta fix it first though. It's doing weird things.
You got that.
Yeah. What's wrong with it? Things. Why is it so zoomed in? Can I see what about it? I wanna try something.
Let's leave him to that.
Alright. Sounds great. Thank you, Jimmy. Appreciate you. Thank you, bro. It's Mike's birthday today. Happy birthday, Mike. Do you want to tell the world how old you are?
I am 63.
47.
63. I'm in matches with the gray.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah?
No, I'm 26.
26. Killing it, man.
Thank you.
So 62. And Chris, he's 13.
Chris,
Will,
yeah, Chris is
12.
21.
21.
21.
Close.
21.
And as usual, Adam's being very loud.
Poppity pop pop.
Bing bong. You got this, Jimmy. Show us.
One. All right, here we go.
Oh, that was actually pretty gold. That was amazing.
I'm surprised.
Yeah? You didn't even flinch, man. Killing it. Look at these guys mobbing in. Woo!
Gotta find Adam's pit bike.
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
What up?
What's up? How's your new car?
I don't know. I haven't drifted it yet.
Oh, you haven't drifted it? Is that how you know if it's a good car?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I sat in it. It's pretty nice.
That's cool. Oh, big truck coming. We maybe need to chill.
This one's faster.
Yeah, it's faster. It's nice. Little gas powered one.
Where are they?
They'll be jumping the thing at Adam's place. Golf cart trail time. Oh, we're so getting stuck. Oh no. Oh, Chris, where the hell are we? Oh.
I kind of regret it.
Oh, it's so bumpy. Oh my God. Oh, go around. No, we're getting stuck. We're 100% getting stuck. No. Oh. Oh. We're stuck.
You're gonna have to push.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Yeah, fucking see ya.
We got a strap. No way. Oh, we might go forward. Rocket. Hang on. I got this.
Yeah, get in the back.
Yeah. We got this, bro. Come on.
This is a good idea.
You got this. Go. I think we're just digging in more. All right, we're not moving.
You gotta get on the ground and try to push it over.
We gotta help him push.
Grant, come on, help us.
Hang on, here, hold this.
This was Sam's idea. He's like, we won't get stuck.
I never said that.
Yes, you did.
All right, ready?
Yeah, go. It's working, go.
We got this.
Ready?
Oh God. The Jordan.
Go.
Boys, the Jordan.
Go. I think I might be able to floor it backwards. Should we try? Hold on.
Try, but it's not LSD or anything.
Yeah, you can definitely just throw the reverse. Put it in reverse.
Ready, go.
Go forward.
Go forward.
Hang on it. Keep the wheel straight. Don't turn the wheel.
Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Yeah. Some momentum. You got this?
Go.
We got it! A little bit more, Chris. Come on.
Yeah, a little more. Go. Get in.
Yeah! We got out!
Good.
What? Don't go in there though. Whew.
Nice call, Sam.
Nice, man.
You're like, we're not gonna get stuck. Yeah,
I
right.
said we were going to.
No, you were like, no, we won't. We should go through it. It'll be fun. Hey, but we made it out.
We did.
No harm, no foul. All right?
That was fun. I reckon, yo, what's that one? That looks cool.
Shut up. I'm bringing this thing back in one piece. We're good. We made it out of hell.
We did.
I can still got my GoPro.
We should do that again, but of course with less mud. Look at my poor Jordans.
I'm good. I'm dry.
That was fun. Oh god. No, 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 no.
Woo! Florida, baby.
Oh man.
Yeah!
We had to clean the mud off, I guess. I don't know. I mean, if it breaks, Adam's gonna make you buy another one. How much are these worth?
Like $3 grand. Are they that much?
Yeah.
5?
3 grand? 3 to 5.
If you break it, Grandstad's gonna be pissed.
Oh yeah, we know that.
Salmon breaks it, Salmon buys it.
I think
It's so dumb.
I blocked that entire clip. I blocked it.
You did ruin that whole.
So it seems like we're doing a little bit of an LZ compound drift event. We just had a drivers meeting and everyone's gonna drive. I've got some spare tires on the S13, so we'll give it a little bit of a kick, but I don't have an angle kit or anything like that on it, so I gotta go easy. We don't wanna end up in a building or a tree. And obviously I can't use the Z until we get that brake master sorted. But this is gonna be sick. I just wanted to come check out the layout here so I know exactly what we're getting into. I love Tommy's cop car. It's the best thing ever. Yeah, I'm a little sketched out just because of the puddles and the fact that I don't have an angle kit on the S13. I'm gonna have to really just take it easy. Kinda almost don't want to just in case, but being nervous is also not a good idea. To be honest, I really hope this isn't a bad idea. It just makes me nervous not having any kind of knuckles or anything. For like insurance. We should be okay. I just gotta remember left hand. I'm gonna start off with some donuts and just see if it's comfortable and if it's controllable. I'm gonna put my gear oil in the back. Trying to learn the e-brake. Trying to steer with like this. I think I blew a dip. I think I blew a dip or an axle. Something went bang. Yeah, something went bang real bad. Hopefully it's not. Oh yeah, it went bang real bad. I think I gotta get out and push this now. Well, that was fun. S13 lasted all but 3 seconds. Just started getting the hang of it. Son of a bitch. You got it. Just drive through it. I have no idea what broke, but it does not sound good. I think my trans exploded. Something went bang. Gosh, man. Oh, it's like clutch trans related for sure. Something blew up. I think it's the trans. It's like clutch related. Like the clutch pedal stuff. I can put it in all gears, but something went bang. Maybe, but. All right, well that was fast lived. I'm almost tempted to just take my 350Z out that has no brakes. Good news is I don't think it's diff because I can push the car in neutral no problem. It's definitely like trans, clutch or something like that related. Sounded so bad, but. All right, let's have a look, see if we can figure out what's going on here. Oh, I guess Graham broke a bumper. Well, good news is the tail shaft looks okay. This is what I thought it might be. Means it's probably trans related. Far out. That's not what I wanted to hear. That or diff related. See if we can work it out. Totally a foreshadowing. 100% foreshadowing. To be honest, I really hope this isn't a bad idea. Oh well. Zero's out. It's about to be real loud. That thing's mental. Sounds so cool. This thing is so cool. That's some bad news.
What happened?
I blew my trans.
Shut the
Like the third run.
Yo, can you believe it? This guy out here blowing trans.
You're blowing trans, bro?
Yep.
That sucks, though.
We got all the parts you need here.
I'm glad.
You ready for a ZF swap, my guy?
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
Gotcha.
All right, maybe we, yep, all right, we'll talk about that off camera. Trevor's Corvette rips.
Hey, PSA, Rudnick.
There's, it doesn't sound good at all. It's ear rape. Oh my gosh. Yo, watch him beaver slap the side of the cord pedal. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He just bought this, by the way. You ready for a beaver slap? You ready for a beaver tail slap? Dude, he's gonna blow his head gasket before the tires. Oh no! Yo, 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 back up, back up. That's about to go back. Yeah! Beaver tail!
Not as good, but
Nice.
look at these guys.
we're done with drifting for today. I'm really upset. Air chassis problems. It's all good though. We'll be able to fix it. Adam says he's got tons of parts here. Worst case scenario, we can always do a trans swap or upgrade or something like that because Drift HQ is here as well. But it just sucks. Well, I know we're ending on a bad note today, but we kind of found a failure point on the S13. I'm super glad we didn't end up getting that thing prepped in time for the comp because that would have 100% blown up probably on the practice laps, which is just really fortunate we were able to test that all out here. I think something went wrong in the bell housing. That seems to be where the sound was coming from and originating, and I can still shift in all the gears. One thing I did notice by looking at the footage is that the e-brake got stuck up. And that's a big no-no when it comes to drifting. If that's stuck up and you do a clutch kick, you're gonna break something, and that's exactly what happened. So I'm definitely gonna be getting a drift button in that to rectify that issue. I feel stupid that I even really tried drifting that, but everyone was driving and I wanted to have some fun and I wanted to test the S13 a fair bit. So found a failure point, we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna talk to Adam and see if we do have any trans like changing options, like if we go to a ZF or a CD or something like that. I just feel like that's a no-brainer for future proofing it, and I do want to drive this thing on like Christmas Eve at E-Town. So I want that thing to be bulletproof, but we don't have a lot of time, and it just depends what he has here. If we can only get an SR trans, we'll do that. If I can get my hands on a HPI or a Nismo 6-speed, that would be awesome because those things are bulletproof around like the 450 range. So we'll figure something out, but don't worry. Me and Ruddy right now are also battling to see who can get their video out, and as you can see, he's concentrating, not listening whatsoever. So whoever uploads first today, we won, whoever wins. Are you gonna upload before me?
We're throttling your internet. What, am I in it?
So if he uploads after me, he sucks, just so you guys know.
You're the one, you're like about to render. I still need 20 more minutes. Yeah.
Well, the internet here is really slow, so.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's where we are. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Hopefully fixing the Z, that thing's driving, and then fixing the S13. It's just what happens, I guess. I don't know, I break everything. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Jamata. Buy merch. Help me. I need a new trans. Jamata.